Okay, so for this problem, first of all, we are going to differentiate 4x squared y, again using a combination of implicit differentiation, and because there's a product rule between the x squared and y, there's a product, so we need to use the product rule. Okay, so let's break it into our usual two parts then. To use the product rule, which is up on the corner there, we need our u, which is 4x squared. We need to differentiate that with respect to x, so the differential of 4x squared is 8x. We need our v, which is our y, and we need to differentiate y with respect to x. So first of all, we differentiate it with respect to y, which is 1 times dy by dx, which just gets us dy by dx. We can then use the product rule. So we have our v, which is y, times our u dashed, which is 8x, plus our u, which is 4x squared, times our v dashed, which is dy by dx. And then just to tie this up a little bit, we can take out a couple of common factors. 4x there, leaving us with x dy by dx, plus on that one 2y. Okay, so that's our expression for the differential of 4x squared y. Now we're going to use that solution to help us with part B, because part B says hence find dy by dx when 2x squared plus 4x squared y is equal to 5. So we're going to go through, differentiate each part with respect to x, and obviously use the solution from part A to help us. So for 2x squared, we differentiate that with respect to x. You get 4x. Well, we've worked out the differential of 4x squared y with respect to x, so we can put our solution there. So 4x times x dy by dx plus 2y is equal to, and the differential of 5, a constant with respect to x, is 0. So we want to get dy by dx on its own, so let's do a little bit of rearrangement. Move the 4x over, becomes a minus 4x. 4x times x dy by dx plus 2y. Times dy, it's 4x there, so when it moves, it becomes a division. Minus 4x divided by the 4x is minus 1. So you got minus 1 is equal to x dy by dx plus 2y. Move the 2y over, so that becomes a minus. So x dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus 2y. And finally, then we just need to divide by that final x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 minus 2y all over x. Or if you want to take out the minus as a common factor, minus 1 plus 2y all over x. Either of those would be perfectly fine as your final answer. And that's what we get for dy by dx when 2x squared plus 4x squared y is equal to 5.